bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
A nonstop beeping smoke detector usually means the battery is low or dying. Even hardwired units rely on backup batteries, so check and replace if needed. Dust or dirt inside the detector can cause false alarms. Gently cleaning it might stop the beeping. Also, smoke detectors generally last about 10 years. If yours is older, it may be time to replace it.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.